हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू द वीडियो। इस वीडियो में मैं कवर करने वाला हूँ रिफॉर्म मोमेंट्स इन इंडिया, सोशियो रिलीजियस मोमेंट। विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम स्टार्ट। रिफॉर्म्स मोमेंट इन इंडिया। Reformist movement started in India due to social evils in society that existed in form of untouchability, superstition, polygamy means multiple marriage, Parda system, polytheism, worship of more than one god, etc. Position of women deteriorated in society due to polygamy, sati system, and also because widow remarriage was not allowed. Okay, steps taken to ameliorate women's positions. First, abolition of sati. 1829, an act passed to abolish sati system with effort of Raja Ram Mohan Rai. Lord William Bentinck was then Governor General of India. Second, widow remarriage. 1856, Widow Remarriage Act passed with the effort of Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar got this title from his college principal in Sanskrit college. Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar was against child marriage. Okay. विडो रीमैरिज एसोसिएशन बाय 1853 विष्णु शास्त्री पंडित फॉर्म्ड विद्या विधवा उत्तेजका मंडल। 1861 एम जी रानाडे फॉर्म्ड ये विडो रीमैरिज एसोसिएशन। सत्य प्रकाश वाज गुजराती लैंग्वेज वीकली फाउंडेड बाय सोशल रिफॉर्मर एंड जर्नलिस्ट करसोदास मुलजी विथ इंटेंशन ऑफ सोशल रिफॉर्म। चाइल्ड मैरिज 1891 एज ऑफ कंसेंट एक्ट पास ड्यू टू द एफर्ट ऑफ बी एम मालाबारी चाइल्ड मैरिज लेस देन 12 years was not allowed. Sharda Act of 1929, it is also known as Child Marriage Restraint Act, through which minimum age for marriage at 14 years for girls and 18 years for boys was set. Education 1835 Thomas Babington Macaulay presented Macaulay Minute to promote English education in India. Okay, he gave downward filtration theory. Only rich Indians were to be given education in English medium. Lord William Bentinck's father of English education in India was the Governor General of India during this time. 1854 Wood's Dispatch. It abrogated the downward filtration theory. It is also known as Magna Carta of Indian education. According to Wood Dispatch, primary level education should be given in vernacular, secondary level education in Anglo vernacular, higher level education in English. 5. Certain women's organization formed. भारतीय स्त्री महामंडल 1910 फाउंडर शारदा देवी चंदवानी लेडीज सोशल कॉन्फ्रेंस 1904 फाउंडर राम वाई रानाडे ऑल इंडिया वोमेन कॉन्फ्रेंस 1927 फाउंडर मरग्रेथ कजन्स आर्या महिला समाज 1882 फाउंडर पंडिता रामबाई सरस्वती फर्स्ट यूनिवर्सिटी फॉर इंडियन वोमेन्स SNDT बाई डॉक्टर ढोंडो केशवा कार्तिक 1916 स्ट्रगल अगेंस्ट कास्ट बेस्ड एक्सप्लोइटेशन अगेंस्ट चतुवर्ण सिस्टम भाई स्कृति हिताक्रमणी सभा 1924 इट वाज एस्टैब्लिश बाय भीम राव अंबेडकर एट बॉम्बे सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट मूवमेंट 1925 इट वाज स्टार्टेड बाय E.B. Ramaswamy Nikkar in Tamil Nadu. Some movement started by Narayan Guru in Kerala, Jyoti Bhai Phule in Maharashtra, Mahad Satyagraha in 1927. It was led by Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. He also burned manuscript. Why? Because he told about discrimination. Raja Ram Mohan Rai and Brahmo Samaj. He is known as father of Indian Renaissance. He was given the title of Raja by Akbar II. 1814 he established Atmi Sabha in Kolkata, forerunner of Brahmo Samaj. 1817 he founded Hindu College in Kolkata with the help of David Here. 1825 he established Vedanta College. 1828 Raja Ram Mohan Rai founded Brahmo Sabha, which later became the Brahmo Samaj. He also translated Vedas in Bengali. He was against idol worship, polytheism, child marriage. Writings of Rajaram Mohan Rai give to monotheism the perspective of Jesus, Samved comedy, Mirad ul Akbar in Persian language. 1791 first Hindu college Banaras was founded by Jonathan Duncan and Devnath Tagore. 1839 1839 he started Tattvabodhi Sabha along with its organ Tattvabodhi Patrika in Bengali in Calcutta. Okay, and 1858 he invited Keshav Chandra Sen to join the Brahmo Samaj. Due to difference in philosophical thinking, Brahmo Samaj split into two in 1866, namely Brahmo Samaj of India led by Keshav Chandra Sen and Adi Brahmo Samaj led by Devendranath Tagore. Later, Adi Brahmo Samaj also got divided and Sadaram Brahmo Samaj was founded by Ananda Mohan Bose in 1878. Veda Samaj 1864 Veda Samaj was formed in Madras by Keshav Chandra Sen and K. Siddhartha Naidu. It is also known as Brahma Samaj of South India. Okay, and Ang Bengal movement late 1820s and early 1830s started by Henry Vivian Derozia. He was a teacher at Hindu College. Okay, and Dharma Sabha. Now I am talking about Dharma Sabha. Rebellious movement 1830. It was started by Radha Gupta Dev. He was against the idea of Brahmo Samaj. Paramhans Mandali 1849. It was founded by Dadoba Panduranga and Durgaram Mehetli in Maharashtra. Pratna Samaj in 1867. Okay, it was founded by Atmarang Panduranga in Maharashtra. M.G. Ranade joined in 1870. R.G. Vandakar was also a member. They won the movement 1866 started by Muhammad Qasim Nawadawi and Rashid Ahmad Gangohi launched in Saharanpur district in Uttar Pradesh. Singh Sabha movement 1870 it started in Amritsar. It aimed to review Sikh faith by bringing back the converts. सत्य शोधक समाज 1873 it was founded by Jyoti Bhai Phule. He was from Mali Gardener community in Maharashtra against caste discrimination. In 1848 Jyoti Bhai Phule along with his wife Savitri Phule, first female teacher of India, started the first school for girls in Pune. Books written by Jyoti Bhai Phule: गुलमर्ग, सार्वजनिक सत्य धर्म बोथ इन मराठी. आर्य समाज 1875 it was founded by Swami Dayanand Saraswati. Original name Mool Shankar. First unit of Arya Samaj was opened at Bombay and later shifted to Lahore. He advocated casteless and classless society. He gave slogan go back to Vedas and India for Indians. He considered Vedas as infallible but criticized Purans. He believed in karma and reincarnation. He subscribed support to Chatuvarna system on the basis of work, not by birth. He was against the idol worship. Book written by him Satyarath Prakash. In 1886, Dayanand Anglo-Vedic DAV College in Lahore was established in memory of Swami Dayanand in Mahatma Hans Raj. 1893, the Arya Samaj members in Punjab were divided on the question of vegetarianism and modern education. The group that refrained from eating meat were called the Mahatma group and other group the Cultured Party. Aligarh movement 1875 started by Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. He established a Mohammedan Anglo-Oriental College in 1875 which was later called Aligarh Muslim University in 1920. He also founded Indian Patriotic Association in 1888. Dev Samaj 1887 founder Shiv Narayan Agnihotri at Lahore. Shuddhi movement. It was a purification movement started by Arya Samaj for Christian convert to bring back to Hinduism. Swami Vivekananda. He started the Ramakrishna movement. Original name Narendra Nath Datta. His birth 12 January 1863 is celebrated as National Youth Day. Died on 4 July 1902. He believed in idol worship. Books written Raj Yoga, Karma Yoga. 1893 Swami Vivekananda gave a speech in Chicago. In conference, he advocated on how to make balance between materialism and spiritualism. Swami Vivekananda Rock Memorial is in Tamil Nadu, Kanyakumari. Okay, रामकृष्णा मिशन, रामकृष्णा मूवमेंट 1897 1897. It was started by Swami Vivekananda in the memory of his Guru Ramakrishna Paramahansa, priest of Kali Mandir in Calcutta. Original name गद्दर चट्टोपाध्याय. इसका हेडक्वार्टर कहाँ पर है? बेलूर मठ, हावड़ा, वेस्ट बंगाल. ओके. And according to him, service to man is service to God. Service to man is service to God. Okay. And बालसरी जंबेकर. He started two newspapers, Darpan and Digambram. Darpan और दिगंबरम. He is remembered as the father of Marathi journalism. गोपाल हरि देशमुख. पेन नेम इसका था लोखीवाड़ी. क्या लोखीवाड़ी? He started weekly newspaper प्रभाकर and हितेचू. गोपाल गणेश अग्रकर. He started a weekly सुधारक. सर्वेंट ऑफ इंडियन सोसाइटी 1905. फाउंडर गोपाल कृष्ण गोखले. ही वॉज पॉलिटिकल गुरु ऑफ गांधी एंड जिन्ना. सेवा सदन 1908. फाउंडर V.M. मालाबारी. ही वर्कड अगेंस्ट चाइल्ड मैरिज एंड फॉर विडो रीमैरिज. सोशल सर्विस लेग्यू 1911. फाउंडर नारायण मल्हार जोशी एट बॉम्बे. ही ऑल्सो स्टार्टेड ऑल इंडिया ट्रेड यूनियन कांग्रेस इन 1920. फेराजी मूवमेंट 1818 स्टार्टेड बाय हाजी सारितवाला. वहाभाई मूवमेंट स्टार्टेड बाय सैयद अहमद बरेलवी इन रायबरेली. ओके. सोशियो रिलीजियस रिफॉर्म मूवमेंट इन साउथ इंडिया. सतनामी मूवमेंट. It started in 1820s in Chhattisgarh, resigned by Guru Ghasidas, who belonged to Satnami sect. He worked with the leather workers in 1870. 1870. Theosophical Society 1875. It started in New York, USA by H.P. Balavasti and H.S. Olcott. The society headquarters was shifted to Adyar, Madras from New York in 1882. Later, Annie Besant took its membership. This society was highly influenced by Hindu belief system. इंडियन नेशनल सोशल कॉन्फ्रेंस 1887. फाउंडर M.G. रनाडे एंड रघुनाथ राव. प्लेज मूवमेंट वाज स्टार्टेड बाय देम अगेंस्ट चाइल्ड मैरिज. श्री नारायण गुरु धर्म परिपालन SNDP मूवमेंट स्टार्टेड बाय श्री नारायण गुरु स्वामी फॉर द अपलिफ्टमेंट ऑफ इजवास कम्युनिटी ऑफ केरला. इंपॉर्टेंट स्लोगन: ओरू जाति, ओरू माथम, ओरू देविज्म, वन कास्ट, वन रिलीजियन, वन गॉड फॉर ऑल. जस्टिस मूवमेंट 1917 started by C.N. Mudaliwar, T.M. Nayyar and P. Tyagaraja. Self-respect movement 1925. Founder E.V. Ramaswamy Nikkar, also known as Periyar. Temple entry movement for the entry of Dalits in temple. In North India 1930 it started by Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. In South India 1924 it started by T.M. Madhavan. Vayakam Satyagraha 1924 it started by K.P. Peswa. And Stri Purush Tulna was written by Tarabai Shinde. Kalaram Temple, Nasik. Bhimrao Ambedkar started temple entry movement in 1930 here for entry of Dalits in this temple. Thank you very much, my friends. Socio-religious movement is completed.